Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with AR Comrade. So today I'm going to talk a bit on IELTS, introduction to IELTS, importance of IELTS, modules of IELTS and parts, scope, benefits, job career in IELTS and future of IELTS students. So all will be discussed one by one in detail. But before moving on to the topic, if you are new in this channel, do subscribe channel and press the bell icon for more videos. So what does IELTS mean? International English Language Testing System. The International Language English Language Testing System is an international standardized test of English language proficiency for non-native English language speakers. Well, it is designed to help a person for work, for study, and to migrate a country where English is the native language of those people. And if we talk about which countries are included in IELTS, which where you want to move, so those countries are like Australia, Canada, New Zealand, the UK, and USA. One's ability to listen means these parts are important in it, like listening, reading, writing, and speaking in English is assessed during the test. IELTS is jointly owned by the British Council, like IDP, IELTS Australia, and Cambridge Assessment English. And if we talk about the importance of IELTS, what is the importance of IELTS? So, if a person is looking to work, live, or study in an English speaking country, then that person must be able to demonstrate a high level of English language ability. English is the third most spoken English language in the world, with approximately 379 million mean speakers are there who speaks English language. Like the first one is Chinese language, that strength is 1 billion, and the second language is Spanish, and those strengths means speakers are 400 million approximately. So the same English has 379 million speakers worldwide. Being able to communicate in the native language of the country one wish to work or study in has a wide range of benefits. It's also essential for job opportunities as well as integration into the community. IELTS is the most popular test for those looking to migrate to Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and the UK. Even it's means important for every country where that there is the English is the native language, so you have to do IELTS. That's most important, and it's globally recognized by more than 11,000 employers, universities, schools, and immigration bodies, including 3,400 institutions in the USA. Just talking about USA means 3,400 institutions are there. And if we talk about modules of IELTS, so there are two types, means two different IELTS modules. The first one is academic module. Choose this if you wish to study at undergraduate or postgraduate levels, or if you are seeking professional registration, for example, doctors and nurses. So they choose what they choose academic module. If you want to go for study means for undergraduate or postgraduate, so you have to choose academic module. The second one is general training module. Choose this if you wish to migrate to an English speaking country, for example, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, UK, USA, or if you wish to train or study at below degree level, so then you have to choose general training module. The speaking and listening tests are the same in both module. Means speaking and listening are same in both module, but reading and writing, that's different in both module. And if we talk about parts of IELTS, so I said to you already that there are four parts. The first one is like speaking, listening, reading, and writing. These are the four sections of IELTS. Amongst all, the writing module is the toughest. The writing is considered as the most difficult module of any exam. Means writing is the most difficult in IELTS. It may be the major English proficiency tests like IELTS test. Also, the marks are uncertain in this section. Means marks are also little bit difficult to be gained in this section. Means in writing section. And if we talk about scope of IELTS, so the most highlighted scope of IELTS is that will find his path transparent to several students who aim to obtain obviously from leading colleges in countries like the USA, Canada, and New Zealand, Australia, etc. He will get the highest IELTS band's result, plus there is the chance to affiliate with the top schools and universities of any country. That can be Australia, that can be UK, USA, and the test can also help a person to register its professions. And IELTS jobs like prospectus are profitable and impressive. Most of the people have to prefer to work outside Germany and to get good wages to provide them with the best job like prospects in foreign countries. IELTS may be an essential element. An elevated IELTS band score can also transform one's life in its country. Means it's not important that if you do IELTS that you have to go for abroad. It's also important. It will also work in your own country as well. If either that your own country is non-native, it will also work in your own country. Now that will work where? Like in foreign countries, like the person will operate with the MNC, means multinational corporation companies and other leading organizations with outstanding contact skills. By testing the IELTS, one will have a test report that a great many colleges around the globe, including organizations, colleges, proficient bodies, and government officers, have perceived and acknowledged. What are the benefits of IELTS? Why people go for it? What are the benefits of it? So you will improve your English language skills. Remember one thing, there are many students, they think that IELTS is for learning English language, but it's totally wrong. IELTS is for improving your English language skills. This is the biggest mistake which students think, this that IELTS is to learn English language, but IELTS is not for learning English language. IELTS is to improve your English language skills. When you take an IELTS test, you are tested in all four skills, that is listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Hence your English language skills are enhanced. Means you can improve your English language skills by doing IELTS. You will gain a better knowledge of the English that you need. If you take the IELTS academic test, you will become more familiar with the kind of language required for undergraduate or postgraduate study in English. You can get an objective assessment of your English language abilities. When you take an IELTS test, you will be measured against rigorous global IELTS standards, and you will get a certification that is widely recognized. Means the certificate that will be widely recognized, either that is in your country or abroad. And by taking an IELTS test, you will receive a test report that is recognized and accepted by thousands of institutes around the world. Like I said to you before too, that it is accepted in every country, either that is your own country, either that is that native country, means foreign country, abroad. So including companies, universities, professional bodies, and government agencies. You will be motivated to study harder because you will have a clear goal. It's very easy to put off studying for another day if you don't have clear aims and objectives. Taking an IELTS test gives you the motivation to study hard and improve your English language skills. Job careers for IELTS. Means we go for IELTS, what are the job careers in it? IELTS is accepted by most of the countries. I already said to you that it is not accepted in just that European countries. It is accepted in every country, that is Asian, European, African, whatever. So it is accepted. IELTS is accepted by most of the organizations It opens new doors for students who wish to study abroad, strengthen your career, help students to sharpen their skills for best career. The academic IELTS is required for universities or colleges admission, while the general training IELTS is intended for career and immigration purposes. And future of IELTS. So future of IELTS, like IELTS is required for permanent residency in Australia, Canada, New Zealand and the UK. If IELTS is taken without a purpose for job or studies abroad, the certification can be a useful uh, credential. Some companies are impressed with those applicants who are good at communication skills. Like I said to you before too, that IELTS is just to improve your communication skills, to improve your English language skills. So obviously if you have good skills, if you have the best skills, every company, every institute will, you will be focused by them. So IELTS is not for learning English language. IELTS is just for improving your English language skills. So I hope it has been helpful for you, this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. The next video will be, of course, about IELTS. So must subscribe channel and see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.